dancing. Nobody said you could stop.
Taco is made to order. Just keep your head up because it's time for the KeyBank Parachute Drop.
Oh, it's key time.
Oh, we're right here. Oh, I got this one. Oh, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? There we go. I won it. Woo! I just got a. Woo!
I wouldn't test that out with the ball. That's funny. I always wonder what it'd be like to win one of these.
I'm not sure if I got it on video, but I actually saved John from falling all the way to the bottom.
Do I get to keep the parachute? What is it? You can have it. It was the experience. It was about being a champion and
T-shirt.
I know.
T-shirt.
You can have it.
There appears to be some sort of.
Woo! Chuck Pivotal. I just want to let everyone know that I fought 60,000 fans and I won. And may this be a lesson to all of you who try to pluck things from the sky when I'm here. Because I get it. I dominated that crowd.